Today in Pennsylvania, a group of potential witnesses appeared in a court hearing to find out if they need to travel to Idaho in order to testify in Bryan Kohberger's quadruple murder trial. Kohberger is the suspect charged with killing 4 University of Idaho students nearly 3 years ago. Well, now jury selection in that highly anticipated case is set to begin a little bit later on this summer, and that's after the defense's motion to delay it was denied. NBC News correspondent Stephanie Gosk joins me with the latest. Stephanie, what do we know about these witnesses?
Well, Morgan, it was interesting today. You know, Kohberger is from Pennsylvania. That's why there are potential witnesses in that part of the country. His defense attorney was there. 5 people showed up. 3 of them were ordered to take part in the trial if they are needed. Among those 3, you had a high school classmate who described his relationship with Kohberger as distant and minimal, and also a boxing coach who says he trained Kohberger when he was 15 or 16 years old. They do seem to be slightly tangential characters. We know that there is another hearing on July 7th as well.
Well, speaking of all this, I mean, Kohberger essentially tried to get this trial delayed. We talk about starting at the end of the summer, but why did the judge dismiss that motion?
Yeah, his defense team basically made the argument that because this is a death penalty case and there's so much information that they need more time. They also had concerns about leaks to the media. And the judge said, you know what? I'm not going to delay it. It has taken long enough. In fact, putting out a ruling saying this court is not willing to continue the trial indefinitely to allow the defense team to embark on a fishing expedition. So some pretty tough words there from the judge on the request to delay, which was denied.
Speaking of fishing, it's interesting. I remember hearing the defense really make quite a big to-do over the fact that there could be other suspects, that, wait a minute, you got the wrong guy. They kind of tried to throw the scent to other people. What happened to that?
Yeah, there were several. And the judge said, there is no information. There is no connection.
No,
there is nothing there, and you cannot introduce these people into the case. You have not given any evidence that would link them to these murders. You'll remember that Kohberger is linked through DNA, according to investigators and authorities.
So we're set to go at the end of the summer.
Yeah, jury selection is August 4th, and then the trial is set to take place 2 weeks later on the 18th.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.